Now this video is going to be quick, and it's all about what type of equipment do you need to make great video walkthrough tour videos. That's a tongue twister. All right, number one, you do not need a film crew. You do not need to be hiring 3 and 4 people to help you get this done, okay? All you need is your cell phone. That's all you need. You can get this done with your cell phone. Now, specifically, upgraded cell phone, iPhone. I'm sorry, Android lovers, but hey, it is what it is. And if you do have an Android, go into your settings and crank it all the way up to the highest possible resolutions and everything. Because you want that stuff, you want your video to look real professional and crisp and clear. You've seen those videos online of people doing these house tour video walkthroughs. I mean, they look nice. I mean, it's like they're not filming it on some cheap phone. They're using DSLR cameras and iPhones set at the highest settings and things like that. So you want to step your game up if you want to do these videos, okay? Don't come out there with some cheap stuff because people judge you. Now, how you gonna have a $5,000 website and a $20 video? No, you want to get it done. You want to have the proper equipment. So get the proper camera, okay? And number 2, if you're narrating the video, if you're actually talking in the video, get you a microphone, something like this. You hear that? Get you a lapel microphone so your voice can be clear in the video and it cuts out all the background noise and everything in the video. Especially on a windy day, if you're outside and the wind is blowing, oh, that sounds terrible. Yeah, that sounds terrible. So get you a microphone with this little cotton ball on it that helps block out all the noise. Put that on your lapel, or ladies, you can hide it in your hair or whatever, just wear it. Number 3, get yourself a selfie stick. And when I say selfie stick, I don't mean one of those long 3-foot sticks where you're holding the thing way out here. No, you don't want to do that. You want a short selfie stick. It's about maybe 3 or 4 inches long, and it can hold your phone just like I'm doing right here. You see, the problem with those long selfie sticks is it's kind of unbalanced. So when you walk, the camera will start to bounce like this. And you don't want to have that in your video, all that bouncing up and down. So you want to get a short selfie stick and keep it at eye level, because most people are between 5'4" and 6 feet tall. So keep it at eye level. All right, you don't want it to be way up in the air, 7 feet in the air. That's not the view you want people to see when they're looking at your videos, because when they actually come to the house to walk around, they're not 7 feet tall. They're 5'5", 5'10", 6 feet tall. So show the video at that height, okay? It's just that simple. It's just those 3 things. Get you a great camera, get you a microphone, and get you a short selfie stick. And I give you another tip. And when you're making a recording, don't hold it way out in front of you like this with your arm extended. Don't hold it way out there like that. Keep it close to your body. That way, that cuts out all the balance. I mean, you keep it close to your body like this when you're recording, and it slows down the bounce. And I have another video that talks about this, how to actually record the video, how to make the videos look real professional and nice so it won't bounce. I have another video. You can click on that video. It's down in the description. But yeah, there's lots of techniques and a lot of strategies into making great videos, okay? A lot of stuff out here at the park. Yeah, bugs and spider webs and squirrels. People back there photobombing me, all behind me while I'm making videos. Yeah, all that goes into these videos. Yeah, so you don't want to be making your house tour videos and doing all that. You don't want to have duck sounds all in your video. Yeah, so now I have a bonus for you, agents. If you want to know more, I actually have two free gifts that I'm giving away to everybody. You can go to my website by clicking the link in the description, and you can gain access to my tips and tricks page, which has more information on it. That's a free gift I'm giving away just to help you out. How to start the videos, how to make the recordings, how to actually walk through the video. Then I have another page that you can gain access to. Is if you're actually narrating the video, is you want to be in the video and you want to talk through the video. You know how people show off the video like, and this is the countertop, and these are the stairs leading up to the upstairs bedroom and things like that. If you want to do that kind of stuff, I have a page that talks about all that. I call it, it's like the 10 best scripts that you can say in your videos to get people to take action. It's you got to get it. You got to get their attention. You got to keep them interested. You got to see if, ask if they want to, if they made a decision to take action. And of course, get them to take action by giving them your contact information and things like that. There's a framework to how you do this kind of stuff. How you get people to, go from point A to point B. You have to hold their hand and guide them. Okay. Just watch any commercial. Most commercials that sell products and services, they all have the same framework. AIDA, attention, interest, decision, and action. So, yeah. So go to the website, click the link, gain access, and I'll see you in the next video. All right.